Ready for a shower? Ready for a shower, baby? Good girl.
Bless you. Look at you. What are you doing?
Are you trying to catch the water?
Trying to get Mama's video camera is what she's trying to do.
You're such a good girl.
She's so sweet. You're having fun.
I bet she is. She's trying to catch the water with her foot.
She is soaking wet. What are you doing?
You're such a good girl. Playing in the water.
Oh! She getting Mama wet. I'm gonna get my arm wet anyway. Never seen that happen before. We got that on video. What are you doing? Are you done?
I don't think so.
Where are you going?
I don't think she's done. Are you still playing in the water? Are you gonna play in the water? She's like, ah, yes, I could do this all day. Hello, baby. Hello, Alto. Are you finished?
Are you
all
done?
Are you all done, baby girl? I guess not. You gonna play in the water? Are you all done, baby?
I think she's done.
I think she just might.
I don't know.
Are you finished?
I think she's trying to get all the water on your arm.
She's trying to give Daddy a bath. Trying to clean Daddy, huh? Give Daddy a little shower.
Hey, baby girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Are you done with the shower? Are you done taking a shower?
It looks like.
Are you done with the shower, baby? Are you done with the shower? Are you done with the shower? Okay. You're a good girl. You're a good girl.
You get her licking
Yes,
your
you
fingers.
are. You're such a good girl. That's right. Taking a shower in the sink all by yourself. You're such a good girl. Yeah. You're such a good girl. Say hello. Ooh, what's going on? Ooh. Ooh, what you doing now?
And you're mean.
I still don't think she's done. She's still sitting on my hand. She usually will crawl up onto my shoulder when she's done. But she's still sitting there drinking, contemplating. Are you done, baby girl? Are you finished? Are you all done? Are you all done? Are you finished? Come on. Come on. Are you finished? Are you finished taking a shower? Okay. You're such a good girl. Yeah. And you're such a spoiled little girl.
Mhm.
You're a spoiled little girl. Yeah.
I heard that.
She is so spoiled.
Ah, spoiled little girl. Say bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
All done with the shower. Say bye-bye. She's like, no, I'd rather say scratch me.
Bye.
Bye-bye.